before I go out for a run, I usually have some pre-workout snack, and today I'm having a banana. And here's some broccoli sprouts I've been growing for days, and here's my mint plant. While I'm eating my banana, I'm going to read. Now it's time for a run. And yes, I do wear my face mask to keep myself and other people safe. I usually run for about 20 minutes in the morning, and I also do some at-home workout after that. This is the second glass of water. And it's time for breakfast. I'm planning on making a smoothie bowl. So I put in some bananas, blueberries, and broccoli, frozen broccoli and frozen spinach, and also a little bit of nut butter on top. And I'm fully aware that this is a weird combination, and I don't know what it will turn out to be, so this is just an experiment. And I'm also going to use this soy protein powder. I'm adding 2 scoops of this. And some soy milk, as always. And blend. Okay, the color is kind of purple or gray or... Okay, it doesn't look like green smoothie at all. Well, I was going to make a green smoothie with chocolate. And this is like concrete, I have to say. But I don't know about the flavor, so we'll see. Well, I have to say that even the texture looks quite like concrete. Okay, is that even edible? I don't know. Well, at least I use all the natural ingredients, nothing suspicious, so I'm going to add the toppings. And I'm adding some chia seeds, and on top of that, some cacao nibs, and also a handful of walnut and shredded coconut. And look at my fingers, they turn purple. And for the final touch, I drizzle some nut butter on top. Well, this is my homemade nut butter using my tiny little food processor. So it's quite thick, but it's okay. So of course I'll take pictures, although it looks kinda like concrete, but with the topping it's so much better. While I'm eating the smoothie bowl, I continue reading. And to my surprise, this smoothie bowl actually tastes quite good. And finally, I started walking. I've been teaching myself Swedish for a while, and that's what I'm doing here. And when I got tired, I had a cup of coffee. This is the cold brew I made the night before, so I just press it down and pour into a glass, add a little bit soy milk. Very simple, that's the way I like to enjoy my coffee. For lunch, I'm going to make fried rice. I'm just using up the leftover ingredients in my fridge. There are some onions and carrots, and I've also got some leftover veggie patties that I made the other night, and also some leftover chickpeas, about half a can. And the final result, not too bad, right? And I also like to sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. And that's it. And for snack, I'm just having some grapes. And for dinner, I'm making miso soup with some vegetable stock, dried seaweed, and miso paste. And I also heated up some fried rice from lunch. Oh, I also added some sauerkraut. I really like this. And I also had some dessert after dinner. Some dates stuffed with some nut butter. I really like this combination. Really easy to make and delicious. So that's it for today's What I Eat in a Day. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and comment down below. See you next time. Bye.